Director of RJ4. Thank you for coming to celebrate with us. 5 years after getting the centre. Yeah. Bravo! Bravo to everybody involved. It's a big day for us, not only because we're celebrating the centre, but all of you and everybody contributed to creating this community place that we can share with you. It hasn't been an easy journey, I can tell you that, but it has been a very worthwhile journey. And I want to believe that we do what it says on the team. So if we say, shampoos, L'Oreal, and you think of hair, hopefully when you hear Restorative Justice for All, it does what it says on the team. It opens Restorative Justice for all. Accessible Restorative Justice. For us, Restorative Justice is not what we do just in the criminal justice system or the youth justice system. It's all of us with our values of power sharing, equality, dignity, respect. So we use those values, my team uses those values to bring us together, to have our food, to cook, to have youth clubs, to have a gym, to have sports activities, art classes, all of those things that use those values to create community cohesion. And then all the reasons that shouldn't then let us do the things that we shouldn't be doing. And that's the philosophy that we have. And we are fortunate to have this place. And when people believe in you, and you're trying to make your vision as clear as possible, then you end up with this. And as I said, today is about looking back 5 years ago. We have a little video we're going to play for you just to remind ourselves what we have achieved. And also thank all the volunteers, because we are a very small team with not a lot of funds. It's becoming a lot more difficult for us to get support for this sort of work, would you believe? And without the volunteers and the community, this and the other stuff that we do, and trust me, we do a lot of stuff, wouldn't have been possible. So yeah, it's about celebrating that with you, and it wouldn't be possible with you as well. And when